congratulations. I have already congratulated you, but still, I think it is a huge, huge achievement to have such a book in front of, and again, the third in the series. And I believe and I also support all those who have spoken before me. And especially your book, I think it provides anyone a lifelong companion type of guide where anyone can come back to it. May it be a student, may it be anyone, as everyone has said, it is a lifelong experience and it will provide a lifelong, guidance to anyone, any individual, in whichever the sector they are, in whichever the phase of the life they are, and so on. So well done very much. And so going back to the remark of Professor Isar, thank you very much. And he highlighted very important chapters, which I think all the chapters are important. And within that, each topic is very important. So, and like looking at, students, when I saw a topic, say, how would you live in a dormitory? Of course, going out of the house for the first time, being young in life, and having no experience of living independently, and how you have created this support or guidance for such a student is really appreciated. Because I had young two daughters and they went into school and college, university at the age of 16 and 18, and they found it a very doubting experience. And such a book or such a guidance can be so helpful to such students. So it's very pragmatic. Also, looking at the whole book, and as like Dr. Hassan Mustafa mentioned, that today we need systemic thinking. Today we need sustainability literacy. Today we need sustainability stewardship. Today we need students who can take informed decisions on their going forward with the understanding that they have gained through the education, the experience they have gained through their work, and also through their societal construction. And that is very important because today we are living in a very interesting time. Every day we are challenged for our employability skills. We want to have an employability sustainability within ourselves, which means that we should be sustainable in whatever the future challenges pose to us. In a way, the whole scenario is changing. Every now and then we see that we need a new skill, we need a new platform, we need a new person, we need a new colleague, we need everything new to grow and sustain ourselves. And not only us, everyone needs at different ages, whoever is it, like young child and also the older people. They have to understand every now and then what is that would keep me going. And this book really employs yourself to understand and to learn of these experiences. And you can relate them in your own experiences or in your own challenges. I will also thank Parin Makadia for showing his expertise about accreditation and certification. I have personally worked with him in several modes at events, and I'm very grateful that he has offered support to each and every free events in the global. And talking about my own initiative, I have a Global Sustainable Futures Progressive Partnership Network, and especially that was initiated for early career researchers. However, it has gone so far to embrace each and every individual, whoever is looking for networking, developing themselves, connecting to people, understanding what sustainability looks like, or to share their sustainability practices in any sector or section of the world, and we have adopted Sustainable Development Framework as our 17 Sustainable Development Goals as our framework so that we can accommodate each and every section of the society. Today, we have more than 3,000 coordinators in 151 countries. So we are huge, but still, I think streamlining such a program or such a book where it can be a guidance, I think that is so important for my network to understand and to be disposed to. So thank you very much. And I would also appreciate Kavita so much for giving such motivational talk and sharing her own personal story. I completely agree that we should be creating a support system that can allow excellence in education and that can frame each and every person, may it be student, may it be professor, may it be an individual, a businessman, and so on, to take informed decision. And that is what we want to look forward. And I will look forward to listening to all other speakers to understand more about this. I hugely congratulate you. And I look forward to working with you to disseminate this book and so that each and plenty of people can take advantage of this. And thank you for inviting me. Thank you.